So it's really important to know your body or become, let's say, I can sit here and say, I know my body, but it's not about knowing your body. It's really coming into direct connection with your body, having an awareness of your body and what's happening in your body. So you'll know when you're having emotions, you'll know when you are in too many thoughts. And emotional self-regulation is you're in a meeting, you feel there's high emotions happening. You can't just walk out of a meeting, but you do understand that there's something going on in the body. So how to emotionally self-regulate because something's happening in the body, there's a lot of thoughts happening and you don't know what you feel, is after the meeting's over, give yourself time to regulate, self-regulate. Give yourself space to go out maybe for a walk, maybe go and sit by yourself, maybe give space to what supports you to regulate. So knowing your body is understanding what's going to support you to regulate the emotions through the body, or making sure you're doing sports or you're getting regular exercise. Things like this help us to know more of being in touch with our body, being in contact with the body. That is the container of our emotions and our mind.